NLP for Personalized Learning Systems. Objective: to leverage NLP technology to improve personalized learning by analyzing student performance and identifying learning patterns, tailoring educational content to meet individual needs, providing customized feedback to support student growth. Solution design steps: 1. Understanding student data collection, data types, textual responses. Collect data from students' written answers, essays, and responses to open-ended questions. Interaction data. Analyze discussion forum posts, question and answer interactions, and chat data to understand engagement and knowledge gaps. Performance metrics. Gather data on quiz scores, assignment completion rates, and reading progress. Privacy and consent. Ensure student data is collected with full consent and follows privacy regulations. Example, FERPA in the US. Anonymize data where possible and apply strict access control to sensitive information. 2. NLP techniques for analyzing student performance. Sentiment analysis. Use sentiment analysis on discussion posts and feedback submissions to gauge student motivation, frustration, or confidence levels. Identify trends in student sentiment to understand overall course engagement and emotional responses to content. Keyword and topic extraction. Apply NLP algorithms to extract key topics from student submissions and highlight areas of difficulty or frequent misunderstandings. Use this analysis to tailor additional resources on topics where students struggle the most. Grammar and language analysis. Implement tools to assess grammar, writing quality, and complexity of language used by students, providing insights into language skills and comprehension levels. Provide automated suggestions for improving writing and comprehension, supporting students in their language development. 3. Tailoring educational content with NLP. Adaptive content recommendations, based on topic extraction and performance analysis, recommend personalized reading materials, exercises, or videos. Develop adaptive learning pathways that change based on individual progress and comprehension, offering more challenging content to advanced students and remedial content to those struggling. Text simplification. Use NLP to simplify complex content, breaking down difficult concepts into easier language for students who need it. Provide additional glossaries or summaries generated by NLP to support students with varying language proficiencies. Question generation. Create personalized practice questions based on previous errors or misunderstood topics. Encouraging students to revisit areas needing improvement. Use NLP-generated questions to reinforce learning and adapt quizzes to each student's progress. 4. Providing personalized feedback. Automated feedback generation. Use NLP to analyze student submissions and provide instant, formative feedback, pointing out both strengths and areas for improvement. Customize feedback to be constructive and supportive, focusing on specific errors or commendable points in each submission. Learning progress insights. Generate regular progress reports using NLP, summarizing a student's strengths, areas needing improvement, and topics mastered. Provide students with visualizations or summaries of their learning journey, motivating them by showing tangible progress. Peer review and collaboration insights. NLP can analyze peer review comments to help students identify patterns in peer feedback, such as common suggestions or recurring praise. Use these insights to encourage collaborative learning and to help students better understand peer assessments. 5. Continuous improvement through feedback loops. Feedback collection. Regularly gather student feedback on the effectiveness of NLP-based personalized suggestions and feedback. Analyze feedback trends to identify areas where NLP personalization can be improved. Iterative model updates. Update NLP models periodically based on new data and feedback. Refining the algorithms to better interpret performance metrics and personalize content. Adapt the NLP system to emerging topics, curriculum changes, and student demographics. Performance tracking. Track system effectiveness by measuring improvement in student engagement, quiz scores, and overall satisfaction with personalized learning. Continuously evaluate these metrics to ensure the NLP system meets learning objectives and adapts to individual student needs. Conclusion: NLP powered personalized learning systems offer a transformative approach to education, using advanced language processing to analyze student performance, adapt content, and provide tailored feedback. By integrating sentiment analysis, adaptive content recommendations, and automated feedback, these systems can enhance engagement, support diverse learning needs, and create a more effective, individualized educational experience. Continuous improvement and regular feedback ensure the system evolves to meet changing learning requirements, ultimately promoting student success and satisfaction.